We all know how important it is to protect our skin from the sun. So Penelope Gomez Sunblock is something very special, and I'm here to show you why this is so special. Because apart from protecting your skin from the sun, we also can prepare your skin for the makeup. So we are going to close your pores, and Penelope Gomez Sunblock is going to also prepare the texture of your skin. You will feel your skin very smooth and ready for the makeup. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and I'm going to show you also the texture. Another thing I want to tell you is that it's not going to leave your skin oily. You know, when you have that sunblock that makes your skin very shiny, this is not going to do that. This is going to really make you ready for the day. Don't forget, it's really important to use twice a day. Don't let your skin unprotected for too long. So first you're gonna prepare your skin, and then you're gonna apply your serums, your vitamin C, but this is something that I'm going to tell you later. In another video, I'm going to explain to you how to do your skincare. And after, as the last step, you're gonna apply your sunblock. When you open Penelope Gomez Sunblock, you're gonna notice that it has a little bit of color. So the secret is to give you a little bit of a makeup look without you looking like too much. The coverage is quite good. So sometimes a lot of my clients, they don't even need to wear makeup after using the sunblock. When I apply, you can see that the texture is really soft and smooth, and also it doesn't give you that oily look. It just makes your skin prepared for the makeup. Don't forget to wear twice a day, and you will have your skin looking the best it's ever been.